Pleasant day to the happy and smart learners. I'm Dr. Shobha Edward, Principal and Head of the Department of Corporate Secretaryship, KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science, here to explain the tax concept. Tax in general is the imposition of a financial charge upon an individual or a company by the Government of India or their respective state or similar other functional equivalents in a state. The computation and the imposition of the varied taxes prevalent in the country are carried on by the Ministry of Finance, Department of Revenue. So, tax is a normal general obligation of an individual to pay to the country. It is his responsibility to pay the tax on his income. So, thank you and have a happy and smart learning. Thank you.